Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Sufyan and I am from Comsat University Islamabad WA campus. The topic of our today's discussion is importance of agriculture in Pakistan. Here are the introduction. Agriculture is the science, art and practice of cultivation plants and livestock. Agriculture plays a very vital role for the economy of Pakistan and its development as it contributes 18.9% to GDP and absorbs 42.3% of labor force. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood for more than two-thirds of the population. Agriculture is the main source of food and raw materials for industries. Agriculture has huge contribution to foreign exchange earnings. These are the main points of the importance of agriculture in Pakistan. High source of economy, source of employment, food requirement, reduction in poverty, contribution in exports, development of industrial sector, infrastructure development, increase in GDP level, development of the banking sector. The first one is high source of economy. Today, agriculture in Pakistan remains to be a large contributor to the country's economic makeup. Other sectors like food, processing, textile, iron and steel now have strong contribution to the national economy in recent years. Agriculture in Pakistan now contributes 23% to the national economy. As far as employment rate is concerned, 44% of the labor force in Pakistan works for the agriculture sector. Agriculture remains to be an important economic contributor as in fact Pakistan is the largest producer and supplier of agriculture products according to the 2005 Food and Agriculture Organization. Source of employment. Pakistan as a developing economy, the employment on a consistent level has much importance. In this behalf, agriculture has much importance because it provides employment directly or indirectly to the public. With the increase in per capita income, living standard increases. Higher hygiene facilities and better education facilities are also increasing. All these signs are the factors of economic development. So we can say that agriculture has great contribution to the economic development by providing employment. Food requirement. The population growth rate of Pakistan is increasing rapidly. According to UNDP, the population growth rate of Pakistan is 2% per year. So with the rapid increasing population, the food requirement is also increasing rapidly. In this behalf, agriculture is the only major factor which is meeting the increasing requirement of food. So we can say that agriculture sector is playing a very vital role in the development of Pakistan by providing food for massive population as well as supporting economic growth. Reduction in poverty. Agriculture development has significant impact on rural development. If productivity increases in agriculture, it reduces poverty and stimulates non-farm employment. They are able to get basic services of life such as water supply, sanitation, provision of health and educational facilities. Contribution in exports. Major exports or cash crops of Pakistan are wheat, rice and cotton. 9.8 billion bales of cotton are produced per year. Rice crop is produced 4.3 million tons per year. These agriculture commodities are exported to various countries against foreign exchange. These foreign exchange is utilized for the import of industrial or technological equipment such as machinery or automobile. Further, this foreign exchange is utilized to improve the infrastructure of the economy or for improving the other sector of economy like education, health and investments. Development of industrial sector. There is interdependent and interrelationship between agriculture and industrial sector. Both are helpful to develop each other. Due to use of modern techniques of production in agriculture sector, when income of agriculturist increases, they will demand for industrial articles like threshers, tractors and various other consumer goods, which results in industrial growth and development. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure plays a very important role in the development of any economy. It is fuel to the economic development. On the distribution purpose of agriculture products, goods and quick means of transportation are required. This intends to improve the infrastructure rapidly. Hence, agriculture plays an important role in the development of transportation for the purpose of distribution of goods. Increase in GDP level. Agriculture has a huge contribution towards the GDP of Pakistan economy. It contributes about 25% of the total GDP, which is larger than other sectors of Pakistan. An increase in GDP shows the development progress of the Pakistan economy. It has played a very important role since independence towards the GDP of Pakistan. Now, agriculture is the third largest sector contributing to GDP. It is as with the increase in employment, the per capita income will increase, which results into increase in the GDP rate of economy. Development of the banking sector. Agriculture has also contributed a great role in the development of the banking sector. As the government realizes the importance of agriculture, it takes steps to improve the productivity of crops by providing the credit facilities to the farmers at low interest rates. For this purpose, the government established the ZTBL and other financial institutes for the provision of credit facilities. So, in this way, the development of the banking sector takes place. These are the main points of the importance of agriculture in Pakistan. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.